Hello, everybody, and welcome back. It's Jenny, and the clearance event is just about done. Even though we've got 2 more days left, I think it's been pit clean. And we've got another sale right behind it, midweek, and you know you want to know, so come on in, like and share the video, because we're going to talk about it. And if you're not one of our crazy friends yet, well, look below, go ahead and subscribe. I post a deal every day, and you don't want to miss it because it's going to save you so much money. Yep, we save hundreds of dollars a year, and you want to know how. And I want to tell you every day, so go ahead and subscribe, and you won't miss out. Also, everybody, you know the rest of the spiel. Everybody, please and thank you. Let the video play all the way to the end, including those ads. It's so important. Can't stress it enough. Not just for myself, but all the creators that you watch. YouTube's doing things, okay? And they're not making it easy for your creators. Just saying. So please, do those lists of things that we ask you to do. It doesn't cost you a dime, and it helps the channel that you like to watch so much. Thank you. And I love you bunches. Don't forget, leave me that comment. I want to know what you got on this clearance event. I want to know how much money you saved on this clearance event, because I've saved about $100 on the clearance event. I didn't go but for 2 days. I've been back and forth and looked around, but I haven't really purchased anything. A couple of items yesterday at that one store, but other than that, I think I'm about done with the clearance event. Why? Because in 2 days, we've got a new sale coming up. The Stars and Stripes midweek sale. Starts May 22nd to the 24th. And this is what's on it. We got Coke coming back. Yes, midweek sale on Coke. You got a $2 digital store coupon, and they're going to be 3 for $15. So 3 for $13 on the Coke products midweek. That means that's going to run until Saturday, so you have the opportunity to do a scenario and get your Coke products even cheaper, guys. Okay? We also have 3 for $4 with $1 off on your 2 liters for your Dr. Pepper, Sunkist, RC Cola, and Canada Dry. And little tidbit, and if you're new here, this is one of the things that we do. We're not just about the deals. We're about sitting around talking about what we do in our households, like the old days. The Sunkist makes really good orange sherbet. If you got an ice cream machine, just add the Sunkist and a can of condensed milk together in your ice cream maker, and you've got some of the best and easiest sherbet. Kids will love it. Holy moly, we are going to have $3.95 Brawny, guys. The $5 Brawny is going to be $3.95. No coupons needed. We're going to have $4.50 Essential Prince paper towels. We have $1 off on that. We're going to have 5 for $5 Lance crackers. And that's an awesome deal, particularly for the summer, so the kids can have some really cheap snacks. You got Vlasic pickles on this sale for $2.50. You've got Hernandez salsas, assorted flavors, 2 for $2. And you've got the microwavable Chef Boyardee little containers for $1 a piece. And you also got the little swimming pools, including the plastic pools. They're going to be 25% off. And I actually need one of those little $10 pools for one of my dogs. So don't forget Thursday about the Stars and Stripes 3-day sale. Okay, we got I don't know if it's a new product or not, but it's a product that I've not seen at our store. We've got the One Always pocket pads, 10 count to 22 count. You've got a $3 off. These are $5.75. That's going to make that $2.75. Now that's a winner deal right there. And these are the products right here. And they also qualify for that spend $25 and get $5 off your next purchase. Always coupon. Alright, correction. We do have $1 off on that Essential Print paper towel, but not on the multi-pack. It is on single rolls. You buy 2, save $1. So, ooh, $1.65. Yeah, go for the other, guys. Forget this one. Go for your sale on that. Better bang for your buck. Here's our $2 off on our 2 12-packs. And you're going to get 3, actually, during that sale. Next part of your daily deal is your gain. Your 2 for $6 gain products. These actually might be considered a run deal. Simply because the only 2 items that you can get are the flings. Or excuse me, yeah, the flings and the fireworks. So they could be gone. So this is a run deal for the 2 for $6. This deal is going to be gone because they don't have that many of the $4.75 gain fireworks, and they only have so many of these $4.75 gain fling products. So I definitely go and do this today. And you can add to that those Always Pocket Flex Form pads that we just talked about. You can pick up 2 of the same product. If you want to do 2 of the same product, at least it shows so in the app. So picking up 2 of these game products for $6, you're saving $3.60. Your total coming off is $6.50 with this. Your subtotal is $15.25. So your out of pocket before taxes is like $8.75, something like that. So not bad at all. You've got 3 different products, and pretty much it's like purchasing your fireworks and getting your pads for free, because the original price of the fireworks is $4.50. So a pretty good deal right there, guys. An any day deal. But you can also use this deal in a Saturday scenario. If you wanted to use this in a 5 off 25 scenario, you could just simply add 2 of the Schick Extreme 5-blade disposable razors to 2 counts. You've got 2 different coupons for those. One is a earn of $3, one is a save of $3. The Suavitel dryer sheets for $1.95, you got $1 off on that. And then, of course, your 2 gain items and your pads. And you can see what has applied here. There is your earn. There's under deals available. The $1 off on that one. The 3 for $6 on the DG store coupon. And that is the reason why we had to go over, because it is a store coupon for $3.50. And then the $3 off on our Always. Now you're looking at $30, $20, $10.50 in regular coupons that's going to come off. On Saturday, an extra $5 is going to come off on that. On 30/20, so you're going to have $15.50 coming off. So you're going to be at $14 and change out of pocket, okay? With your 5 off of 25 for all of these items. And then you're going to get back a $3 earn. So you'll be at $11 and change for all of these items, and that's a winner chicken dinner, guys. So there is your daily deal if you want to use it for a daily deal, and there's your scenario made with that daily deal. If you don't want to use it today, well, you can use it on Saturday and save even more money. So blessings, and I'll talk to you again real soon, because you know you want to know what's going on at the DG.